na po.
That dragon that's under your bed, he'd be a lot less scary if his name was Fred.
Welcome to the world of
His
pickleball.
favorite color is red, and his baby blue bike is parked out back in your shed. Now Freddy's favorite thing to do is go to the
So hanggang
beach.
10 PM
Brings
kami
a
ngayon.
picnic basket, fills it up with sweets. He puts up an umbrella to stay out of the heat.
You want photo booth?
It's the buffet.
Oh, let's go.
It's all you can eat.
Really?
Good day guys, so today is a regular Saturday and magiging tindero tayo ngayon sa Manila Cheesesteak kasi ngayon na yung last na operation namin from 27 to 29 sa main branch and sa pop-up namin sa Estancia kasi March 30 to April 4 close kami kasi Holy Week. Pero bago tayo maging tindero, pickleball muna tayo. First time ko maglalaro ng pickleball, so no judging guys. And ngayon kasama ko si Justin, Jason, yung mga friends ko. Thank you pala sa Oakley. I'm wearing Oakley from head to toe. Thank you GeForce PH. So let's go, samahan nyo ako mag-pickle for the first time. Guys, pagbigyan nyo ako, may punit pa yung ACL ko. So disclaimer lang, pagbabano-bano. So yun guys, let's go!
Ay, wag na boss. Hindi po ako pang... Ay, boss, wag.
Retire na, basketball. Hello, pickleball. Parang gaan lang pala, no? Pag nagustuhan ni Buds yung pickleball, bibili siya ng unit dito.
Ako maganda ng fund ni Jason.
Thank you Jason, invite mo kami. Welcome to the world of pickleballs. This is Jason. Welcome to the world of pickleballs. Hi mga hello.
Pero pwede ba na sa sa'yo?
Pangatlo. Basta ganun. What? Siyempre. Ay! Puso. Ay! Handa. Yan, pwede na. Sa'yo. Pwede na, no?
Okay. Ay, sayang!
Ito, no? Ay, sorry. Sa'yo.
Baby, you set my soul on fire every morning and every evening. Ooh. And maybe we can't get any higher, but if you like to take a ride, we can.
Ay, gago lakas. Jay, sa'yo. Ano? Ay! Out ba? Ay. Lakas eh. Lakas Jason.
Ito, kahit Hantay mo lang siya. Tapos sa laman sa loob. Ay, kung tao, kasi marikitin. Oh bro, kailangan. Parang sa parang palong-palo talaga. Dati sa palo lang. Siya. Oo, kailangan yung palong-palo.
Solid, sarap pala mag-pickleball. May bago na tayong sport. Naninibago pa kasi sobrang daming rules na nakakanibago. So yun guys, uwi lang kami, bihis, then punta na sa event. Let's go. Ala lang. Buds, bibili na rin ng 30,000 worth na pickleball paddle.
100k kapag ako kayo.
Parang masaya ka kasi pag basketball kasi puro lalaki. Ano?
Bandi with friends.
Oo. Diba?
Kahit mga friends na rin babae.
Lahat, kahit anong gender pa yan. Ay, last pala kahapon, dami namin nabenta. Sana today, must go hard sa Manila Cheesesteak. Let's go. Maliligo and prepare lang ako, tapos punta na kami sa event sa Estancia. Pero open na open pa rin ang main branch kasi yan sa naging goal ko this year. Kasi last year pag may event kami, close na tong main branch. So next goal naman is open to, tapos may dalawang branch na, tatlo, tapos next time big store na. Let's go. Bilis nila. So yun lang, prepare lang kami, punta kami sa Estancia. So hanggang 10 PM kami ngayon, 2 PM pa lang. Saka ilang benta na ba? 4? Hindi ko alam na kailang benta na 4 ata, 4. 50 more to go. How about photo booth with daddy? Now or later?
Now.
Really? Picture with daddy. Last order, then we picture, okay? Somebody ordered Hi, Philly cheesesteak. Buy na po.
Where?
Yeah, two people. Ito. Hi, Philly cheesesteak. Buy na po. Babati na. Babati na. Oh. 5:30 p.m. Doing good. Tama. Lakas ni Atina nung dumating, dami bigla. Photo booth muna kami pagtapos ko ibigay yung mga orders nila. This your order? No, somebody ordered this. We can buy so many toys if we sell so many cheesesteaks. Okay? Out na, cheesesteak there. Okay, tindera ko, no? Louder!
Wala po.
Ang cute. Hey! This cheesesteak I wanted to give, ha? You want to give like that? Oh, later. Just use your two hands, okay? Manila cheesesteak. Oh, okay. Thank you for ordering. Like that, ha? Okay?
Philly cheesesteak. Who likes Philly cheesesteak? Wala na po.
You want photo booth?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go. There, oh. Up. Excuse me. Are you excited to see Rumi later? What's that? So many facial expression. Hi. What's that? Who's that? Me and Daddy. Guys, sakto. Merong Huntrix Earth R na event. So, may Demon Hunter sa taas. Kasama ni Kirby si Athena. Kasi ako di ako makakasama kasi sobrang busy. Thank you, Lord. Pero, ayun. Certain ito kasi may 2:1 kasi win-win. May Demon Hunter eh. So, hindi lang siya tumulong sa pagbantay. What? K-pop Demon Hunter. Yes. What's your favorite? What character? No, which character in the Demon Hunter? Rumi? So, yun guys. Sama mo, Kirby. Thank you. Give this to Lucas. To the kid there. Ay, Athena, hold properly. There. Ay, ikaw na. Thank you. Ay, bigla. Binitawan bigla. Good job.
Let's go. Rumi. Yes.
One, two, three.
Lala nung estansya, bilang 8:30, sabi 7:30 p.m. Tinan mo, nag-antay na dun yung anak ko. Ano sinabi sa taas? Are you patient? Kasi gusto nang mabaniyaya. Oo. Are you patient? Ay, gusto talaga ni Athena, kanina niya pa inabangan kasi favorite niya nga yan. So, ayun. Antay niya ng 8:30. Estansya, ah.
You want to take a picture?
Thank you po.
I see Rumi there.
Happy? Are you happy?
Yeah.
What happened there?
I do nothing. I just take a picture.
But you're so happy?
Yeah.
You're super happy? Okay, ay, go home na.
I want Philly cheesesteak.
There's Manila cheesesteak at home. So many. Okay.
I want.
Oo nga. 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Tapos kanina, 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. Tanong mo kung napagod yun. Yan. Good. Nakakaya naman. Tapos sa Jiangnan, present.
Yun yung maganda ron, boss. Eggless at delivery. Water.
Kaya na kami. Nakahiga na ako. Ngayon, kakauwi lang namin. After ng event, nag-egress kami. Tapos, nag-dinner ako. 24 hours din ako, di kumain yun. Grabe. Yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Kahapon 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Tapos ngayon 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. Tapos bukas ulit. Sobrang pagod na.